बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आज डॉक्टर आसिम साहब से मिलने आया था। डॉक्टर आसिम has been a political prisoner of the Noon League government for how long now? For over a year now, 16 months. He is the only politician I know of who has been detained under the anti-terrorism laws for 90 days in Rangers custody. This is Dr. Asim Hussain. This is not kisi Lal Masjid ka, kisi good Taliban, kisi Quetta wala. This is Dr. Asim Hussain of the Pakistan People's Party. This is Dr. Asim Hussain, who has a history, whose family has a history in this city of Karachi, whose Ziauddin Hospital has been taking care of the people of this city for generations. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif Sahab has been using the Interior Ministry to politicize this operation to take political benefits for himself. He has specifically used it to target the Sindh province, whether it's Dr. Asim from the Pakistan People's Party, whether it's the mayor of Karachi, whether it's Qadir Patel, whether it is other politicians from this city, anti-terrorism laws that have been granted specifically to be used against terrorists who were targeting the political parties that these people came from. It was Dr. Asim Hussain political party, the Pakistan People's Party, that was the first voice in this country against extremism. Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, while Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif was still this former Amir al-Momineen and couldn't bring himself to name terrorists. When there was some great, brave Commander Musharraf sitting in the President's house with all powers invested in one man, he did not have the strength to face these terrorists. At a time when these people were cowards and they could not come out and say कि ये लोग मेरे फौजी भाई को मार रहे हैं, मेरे पुलिसमैन को मार रहे हैं, मेरे कौम के बच्चे बहनों भाइयों को मार रहे हैं, इस्लाम का नाम को इस्तेमाल करके उनको मार रहे हैं, ये लोग डरते हैं। और फिर जब बीबी का बेटा कहता है कि आप ना सिर्फ साउथ वजीरिस्तान में, बड़ा मेहरबानी प्लीज़ मोबाइल फ़ोन ऑफ करें, बड़ा मेहरबानी प्लीज़ आप नॉर्थ वजीरिस्तान और पूरे मुल्क में भी ऑपरेशन करें, जिस तरह पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी ने अपना दौर में साउथ वजीरिस्तान में ऑपरेशन किया था, स्वात में ऑपरेशन किया था। Those political parties before APS, whether it was the Pakistan People's Party or MQM, we were publicly demanding an operation. I was campaigning across this province. Every speech में मैं कहता रहा, इनसे लड़ो, इनसे लड़ो, इनसे खैर की उम्मीद आप नहीं रख सकते हो। A massive political rally, a massive show of strength was shown in this city of Karachi, not because of anything else. I don't agree with that particular party on any other issue, on their conduct, on their history, on their future. But they too stood with us and demanded that they should be a military operation against these terrorists. We created the national consensus you see today. We brought these cowards together. We made the lion fight the terrorist also. We told the khilari that this is not a game, sir. Please, this is a national importance. They all came to the same page. And what did we get in return? What did we get in the result? Instead of seeing Taliban behind bars, instead of seeing good Taliban behind bars, instead of seeing bad Taliban behind bars, instead of seeing facilitators behind bars, instead of seeing finances behind bars, we see Dr. Asim of the Pakistan People's Party from Karachi behind bars. We see the mayor of Karachi behind bars. What message are you sending to the people of Pakistan? What message are you sending to the world? Are we or are we not fighting terrorism? I would like to know. I am a victim of terrorism. I am not just some armed politician that wants to win an election. मैं शहीद मोहतरमा बेनज़ीर भुट्टो का बेटा हूँ. My mother has lost her life in this struggle, and Nawaz Sharif owes me an explanation. Is he or is he not fighting extremism in Pakistan? I am holding a meeting of my senior party leadership today, where I will consult them as to whether the Pakistan People's Party, in the current situation, can continue to support the National Action Program. Because I believe that the National Action Plan is a good idea. The National Action Plan is the first time that this country's political and military leadership has come to the same page and formed a strategy to deal with extremism. The armed forces and the police are doing their job. They're sacrificing their lives, they're fighting on the front lines. वो एक हिस्सा था. That was one element of our counter-terrorism policy. Not a single other point has been implemented by our third-time Prime Minister, Nawaz Sharif, in 3 years of his government. I ask him to explain to me why the people of Pakistan should support him, support his government, or support him being Prime Minister for one day longer. I am standing here with the wife of Dr. Asim, who's been suffering from breast cancer. Dr. Asim had his first grandchildren, 2 twins were born to him while he was in hospital. He didn't know about it. Dr. Asim has suffered a severe medical attack yesterday. The likelihood, the tests that are required, the doctors have informed me that the tests that need to be conducted to ensure that no harm will come to this individual are not available in Pakistan. So not only is my Dr. Asim a political prisoner of the Nawaz Sharif government while exploiting the counter-terrorism operation to weaken or bully or influence his opposition, but on humanitarian grounds, he is ill. He is not Photoshop ill. He is not camera ready ill. He is not, I don't want to choose an example of other individuals who have also have been allowed out of this country, who'd faced far more real and far graver charges.
But CM Singh is the captain of this ongoing operation. So what do you see?
ये सियासी question है ना? Captain. कायम अली शाह भी कैप्टन था, अभी मुराद अली शाह कैप्टन है. आप मुझे बताएं कैप्टन है या नहीं है?
अच्छा बिलावल साहब ये बताएं कि यहाँ पर बिलावल साहब ये बताएं कि पीपल्स पार्टी का कोई रहनुमा हो तो इस तरह कैदी होगा, उसको कुछ भी हो जाए उसे कोई बेल नहीं होगी, और वहाँ पर जो अदर सिंध है वहाँ पर कोई कितना भी क्राइम करे, पनामा लीक भी हो, कोई भी हो, उसके दरवाजे पर चिट्ठी भी नहीं. सिंध के बाहर कोई कितना भी क्राइम करे उसके घर पर तो डाकिए की चिट्ठी भी नहीं जाती, और सिंध में कोई क्राइम करे ना करे अगर पीपल्स पार्टी का है तो कैदी हो जाए.
That is a very dangerous question. I understand why that question is being raised. Not only other smaller provinces in this country. In fact, the south of the biggest, the south of Punjab also. There are lots of places in this country where they feel that our Prime Minister and his government have conducted themselves as the Prime Minister and the government of Punjab and not the Prime Minister and the government of Pakistan. These are very sensitive issues, very dangerous issues. We have seen in the past where provincial tensions, ethnic tensions, I mean, these will only serve to foment terrorism. And I do not want to say that that is the case. I understand why certain people have the perception कि ये हो रहा है. I understand that in a democracy, that it is the democracy is the greatest equalizer. कि आपके पास जितना पैसा भी हो, आप, it doesn't matter where you're from. आप सिंध से हो, आप बलोचिस्तान से हो, आप पंजाब से हो, आप KP से, आपके पास एक vote है. I have one vote and you have one vote. So I know that as long as Pakistan is a democracy, all of these extremely scary, dangerous questions that are being raised, that मैं देखता हूँ इधर कराची. I am, you know मेरा stance MQM पर क्या है यार. जब ये लोग उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं बोलते थे, इधर आते थे कराची में बड़े-बड़े जलसे करते थे और कहते थे वाह 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 साहब सही. मैं क्या कहता? But I understand the feelings of the citizens of Karachi when they see that Hamara mayor, I didn't vote for the mayor of Karachi. I am also a citizen of Karachi. There are other citizens of Karachi, they didn't vote for us. But they'll wonder, why is our mayor in prison? Only after our local body elections have happened. Usse pehle, I mean, I want justice for 12th May. The largest, greatest number of victims in the 12th May tragedy was in the Pakistan People's Party. मगर आप अगर इस तरीके से करते, the way that Nisar has done this, you're actually weakening the May 12th case. And on top of that, you're creating this very dangerous perception that you hinted to at the start.
नेशनल इलेक्शन प्लान के हवाले से आपने कहा एक बहुत मौसर अच्छी हिकमत अमली है, लेकिन आप नहीं समझते हैं कि जो पॉलिटिकली लोगों के साथ जो कुछ वफाकी हुकूमत कर रही है, ये नेशनल एक्शन प्लान आप मुतनाज़ा शक्ल में तय करते जा रहे हैं.
मैं नेशनल एक्शन प्लान पर सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि 20 पॉइंट्स हैं, बड़े आसान हैं, प्लीज़ पढ़ें और आप मुझे बताएं, आप मुझे बताएं, आप मुझे बताएं, from those 20 points, how many is the government implementing? It is not my opinion, it is a fact that other than the military operation in North Waziristan, other than the joint operation in Karachi between the police and the rangers, I do not see any evidence of any activity whatsoever being taken against terrorism across this country by the civilian government. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bilawal sahab, thank you.
I love and I'll see you.